Good morning, everybody. Good morning to Principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and respected teachers and my dear students. I feel honored to be here in front of you on the occasion of National Sports Day. We are celebrating the National Sports Day on the eve of the birthday of Dada Dhyanchand, who is a hockey wizard and is a legend personality in the hockey field. I, Perumal Madhukaran, a retired coach from Sports Authority of India and the former national coach for Indian women hockey team. I have served in Sports Authority of India for more than 30 years and I produced the international women hockey players, more than 22 players. And I was a national coach for Indian women hockey team in sub-junior and junior women team and senior women team also. I brought laurels to the India by winning Junior Asia Cup at Kuala Lumpur and Junior World Cup reaching semi-finals at Argentina and Champion Challenge for senior women at South Africa. I toured with the Indian women hockey team to Kenya, Malaysia, Germany, South Africa, Argentina, Paris and few more countries. Now, coming to the National Sports Day, we are celebrating the National Sports Day on the occasion of the birthday of Dada Dhyanchand on 29th of August every year. Why we are celebrating on 29th only? Because Dada Dhyanchand has brought the laurels to the nation by holding the national flag in the Olympic arena, by winning the gold medal in the Olympics. It is a great honor to India that Dada Dhyanchand has brought continuously three times in the Olympics by winning the gold medal in Olympics. There was a situation that when he scored more than half a dozen goals in 1928 Los Angeles tournament Olympics, and everybody surprised that how India is playing. And when they started watching the Indian team in the 1936 Berlin Olympics, Dada scored a hat-trick, and in the finals, when the great ruler, the Hitler, was watching the final match between India and Germany, Dada scored a hat-trick and India won the Olympics by defeating Germany by 8-1 goals. It was a great insult to the German people, and Hitler, he stood up and he went away from the stadium with angry, and he called Dada Dhyanchand, and he called on the dais and with his stick, and he tested the hockey stick because he wanted to know that whether Dada Dhyanchand has adjusted any magnet in the hockey stick, because the ball was just sticked up with the hockey stick only. Because of his super skills, the ball was not visible for everybody. So he wanted to test it. But after having test on the dais, Dada Dhyanchand again demonstrated his dribbling skill on the dais in front of thousands of German people, so that Dada Dhyanchand proved it. It is not because of the magnet, and it is just because of his personal individual skills. Then Hitler satisfied and he allowed to play the remaining match in the final match of the 1936 Olympics at Berlin. After that, he called up Mr. Dada Dhyanchand and he offered, he asked, what you are doing in India? He said, I am a Sipai in military and I am very happy in military. Then he offered Dada Dhyanchand that if you come to Germany, I will make you colonel. But Dada refused. That is the patriotism of Dada Dhyanchand. That is the reason we are celebrating the National Sports Day on the occasion of Dada Dhyanchand. After that, Dada became laurels to the Indian country by winning more championships and Olympics continuously for the nation. About Dada Dhyanchand, he served in military after becoming a national Olympic gold medal in 1936 Olympics at Berlin. Indian government honored him by giving directly major post in the military. From that day onwards, everybody, it is a honor to every citizen to call Dada Dhyanchand Dada. That means brother of everybody, Dada Dhyanchand. By taking inspiration of Dada Dhyanchand, what is the role of sports in Indian sports arena? Why we used to play any game? Elders used to say that a sound body, a sound mind is a sound body. If you are physically fit, so you can do a miracle. You can do miracles on the sports of field, or you can do miracles on the education field, or any field. If you take, if you are mentally sound, physically sound, you can do miracles. So coming to the sports field, take a privilege that once before 2 years, I conducted a physical fitness programs in Kendriya Vidyalayas by the instructions of Government of India. Why the children are getting affected with diabetics and high blood pressure in the younger age? It is an order from our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and I conducted tests for more than 1500 Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan students in Barkas KVS and Shivarampalli KVS, and I submitted the reports after, and every state they have conducted the physical fitness program for KVS students in different parts of the countries. Based on that report, the government has taken a bold decision that a physical education should be a class, a subject to be included in the syllabus. Now coming to our sports, what the sports will help you in your day-to-day life. If you take a sports, your determination will be stronger. By goal setting, your determination will be much stronger than anything. If you take your studies, or if you take your day-to-day programs in studies in schools, everybody will think that I should get the first rank in the college, or I should get the first rank in the state. I should get the first rank in the national level. That is a goal setting. If you are playing a game, any type of game, it is not your goal that just participating in the sports. your goal must be winning the gold and starting the top position on the podium. That is first position on the podium. Nothing is impossible in the sports. Nothing is impossible. If you work hard, definitely you will get the gold medal in the sports arena. One thing we should keep in our mind that we shall play, we shall win. That means we are playing and we definitely will win. It is not like they're just participating in the competition and coming back. No, it is a ordinary person or a ordinary student also can do it. But a determined person who is physically fit, he will continue to win the competitions. Your goal setting in education to become a topper in the state, to become a topper in the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, it is a goal setting. For that, you will do hard work. You will do hard work. In spite of everything, in spite of more pressures, you can keep on continue to do hard work in the education. Then only you will get the top rank in the school, top rank in the college, top rank in the state, like that. The important thing is hard work. Without hard work, you cannot gain anything in the field of education or sports or in your life. You should continue to do hard work in the any field of your part of life. Now, I will request all the students and teachers and principals of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I will thank everybody for giving me an opportunity. My dear students, keep it in mind. I saw so many people who are putting the national flag on the shoulders and on the chest. They feel proud that I am an Indian. Just you think about it, when you are putting the flag on your chest, how much proud you are feeling, and when you are taking national flag with you and running across the stadium in front of thousands of people in the Olympic arena, the what great feeling will be you are having, so that you are bringing the laurels to our nation by winning gold medals in world level championships and any field of sports arena, by holding the national flag in front of thousands of people in the stadium. With this, I thank the principals of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and the respected teachers and my dear beloved students for giving me this opportunity to share my feelings with my brothers and students. Once again, I thank everybody, and once again, I wish everybody on the occasion of Dada Dhyanchand's birthday, the National Sports Day, and thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.